When a police officer is shot or injured in the line of duty, they immediately get emergency care, sometimes being taken to the hospital in an ambulance. The same can happen for K-9 officers, but the consequences of their jobs can linger long after they retire. Right now, there's no emergency transportation for them in their later years. But Kanjo's law aims to change that. It's in honor of a late Saginaw K-9 who retired in 2019. TV5's James Felton joins us with why proponents of this bill believe it's so important. James?
Supporters of the bill say as long as the dog's handler is willing to pay the cost, if there's an ambulance, a retired police dog needs it, they should have it.
Once he retired, the reality of everything that we had exposed him to while he was working, once he retired, we really started seeing some issues.
Douglas Stacer talking about retired Saginaw Police K-9 Kanjo, who passed away in 2022. Stacer was Kanjo's handler.
There were times that we would rush him in our personal vehicles down to Michigan State, Greater Lansing, that had we been able to care for him, because there were times that we didn't know if he was going to make it there. And I mean, just the comforting part of being in the back with them while we were transporting them would be one thing. But if the need arose during that transport that they needed an IV or some life-saving measures, the ambulance service would be prepared to handle that for us.
That's why Stacer is a staunch supporter of Kanjo's law. It's proposed legislation being considered by lawmakers in Lansing that would amend a provision of the Public Health Code. It would allow an ambulance to provide emergency medical transport of a retired police dog to a veterinary clinic for emergency medical treatment, as long as there are no humans needing transport or emergency assistance at the time.
It's just a tool for us, even though it could be pricey for the handler. It's one thing that would be able to help us out.
Stacer points out that this is not an expense that would fall on state taxpayers. Instead, dog handlers would bear the cost. The bill has been introduced in the State House. It must be approved in that chamber, then pass the State Senate, and be signed by Governor Whitmer to become law. Stacer is optimistic that can happen.
It'll be very comforting to know that people have helped us reach this point, and now any other dog, any other retired dog, especially because of this one, will have the chance to, live a little longer because of this.
A House committee hearing on this bill is scheduled for 9:30 tomorrow morning in Lansing. We will let you know what happens. Back to you.